Hey food lovers, welcome back to the channel where we elevate everyday cooking to extraordinary levels. If you've ever wondered how to turn your ordinary meals into gourmet experiences, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of olive oils, one of the simplest yet most powerful ingredients you can use to transform your dishes. But before we get started, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share your favorite olive oil tips or experiences, whether it's a special brand you love or a dish you've perfected with it. And remember, the only way this channel can continue to grow and bring you more amazing content is with your support. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Alright, let's get cooking. Transform ordinary meals into gourmet ones by using these expert-recommended olive oils. Whether you're a seasoned chef or an inexperienced home cook, choosing the best olive oils may transform your cuisine from ordinary to extraordinary. They're not simply for garnishing or as an ingredient that gets lost in the sauce. However, because olive oil has such a strong cultural following, people take it just as seriously as they do wines, whiskey, and watches. For example, choosing the best olive oil for your particular needs may be quite stressful. To find out precisely which olive oils are worth your money and how to get the highest quality, we spoke with the experts. What to look for in the packaging of olive oil. There are a lot of factors to take into account while purchasing a tasty and premium olive oil. The packaging is the first item I check. Seek it out in a stainless steel or dark glass container. Even though the oil was lovely and of the highest quality when it was put into the bottle, photooxidation will be triggered by light in a plastic or clear bottle, turning the oil within rancid. Positioning. Prioritizing placement on the shelf is important while shopping in person for two reasons. I very seldom, if ever, purchase an oil bottle off the top shelf in the grocery store because heat rises and continuous light is bad for quality. Heat, not cooking heat, but a higher ambient temperature, will increase natural oxidation within the oil. Furthermore, olive oil has a limited shelf life of around a year to 18 months from harvest because it is primarily a fresh fruit juice rather than a condiment. Again, shielded from excessive heat and light, bottles tucked in at eye level or in the middle of the shelf probably have a higher turnover than bottles at the top and bottom of the shelf. Date of harvest. A fresher and higher quality olive oil can be obtained by selecting it as soon as possible after the olives are harvested. Seek for phrases like, first cold pressed, preferably within a few hours of harvesting. This denotes a temperature for extraction lower than 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Starting point. Select a regional olive oil rather than a blend sourced from several nations if you are unable to shop hyperlocally. Moreover, this guarantees ideal traceability. Taste and scent. Good olive oil generally strikes a balance between flavor and fragrance. How then would you assess it? It is a clear sign that we have a quality product when we put our nose up to a tiny bit of olive oil and smell pleasant qualities like sweet scents and the aroma of fresh veggies and grass. If, after tasting it, we detect a hint of pepperiness along with a strong, bitter taste, we are also dealing with a high-quality product. Alternatively, keep searching if you come across an olive oil that is either too light or too strong. That's a wrap, food lovers. I hope you're feeling inspired to take your meals to the next level with these expert olive oil tips. Remember, the key to gourmet cooking can be as simple as choosing the right ingredients and using them wisely. I'd love to hear how you're incorporating these tips into your own cooking. Drop a comment below and let me know your favorite olive oil experiences or recipes. I'm always excited to see what you're creating in the kitchen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And the best way to support the channel and ensure you don't miss out on more gourmet tips is by subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Your support helps this community grow, and I'm so grateful to have you along for the journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.